Kangaroo meat is a great source of protein, but also it's a really lean meat to use. Try something a little different. Try using it instead of beef. I'm going to make a bolognese. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil into my saucepan. I've already chopped some onions, some garlic, the base of all good bologneses if you ask me. Of course, garlic, love garlic, good for the blood. I've got some tomato passata, which is just crushed tomatoes. And I've got my lean, delicious kangaroo mince. Just break that up and put that straight into the bowl. Now, obviously you need to have lots of herbs. You can use anything you want, basil, thyme, parsley. I'm going to use thyme today. A little bit of sea salt. This won't take long. This is going to be a beautiful, lean bolognese.